Hey everybody, this is Thomas and we're in the forest. Oh yeah, with the whole family, and the forest is awesome. There's so many things you can explore and see, whether it's wildlife or whether it's flowers or trees and certain plants. And there's also strange sounds that you find in the forest. Can you hear it? It's pretty amazing. Sounds. Is it the wind? Is it fairies? Let's see. Yeah, there's some fairies there. And they're pretty nasty sometimes too. And they fight. So, forest sounds, enjoy this day.